Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today I will show you how to create these paper water lilies that can add a touch of elegance to any space. First, create a container with a base that's 10 by 9 cm. One side should be 10 by 3.5 cm and the other side should be 9.5 by 3.5 cm. Stick them together with glue and it will look like this. I have mentioned the sizes for each petal. The first and second layer have the same size. Then this size is for the third layer and this one is for the fourth one and this one is for the fifth. For the first size, cut 10 pieces of paper for the first and second layer and for the other layers cut 5 petals each. Follow the pattern you see and use scissors to cut each paper. Repeat this process for all the remaining papers. This is soft oil pastel I created by mixing oil pastel with Vaseline. Use it to set the petals. Then use the oil pastel crayon to add some lines and do this for all 25 petals. Use a round object or a pencil to shape the petals. Get a 3.5 cm round piece of paper and use glue to attach 5 large flower petals to it, arranging them in the shape of a pentagon. Then stick the rest of the petals one by one, matching their sizes. Always place the petals between the two petals underneath. To create this stamen, use yellow paper to draw 2 circles. Then fold each circle in half twice and cut it with scissors to make a fringed edge. Now take a red oil pastel and add shade to the end of the fringed paper. Afterward, use glue to attach it to the water lily. To make the stem, use a thick piece of paper and fold it 2 times to make it stronger. The stem will be flat in shape. Then take a plain piece of paper and wrap it around the stem in an oval shape. Finally cover it with purple paper. Now create 4 petals for the bird. Since it's the sepal, color it slightly with purple, brown and green shades. You can use oil pastel or soft pastel to add color to the paper. Take a green paper and color it with olive green, raw umber and violet. After that, cut it out and use glue to attach it to the stems. This way you can create another bird. Before finishing, check the stem size. Place the flower bud on the container to decide how long you want the stem to be. Then cut off the extra part. Finally, shape the bird as demonstrated. First, use a stapler to attach the flower bud to the container. Staple it 2 or 3 times to make sure it stays in place and doesn't fall. Next, place a transparent cover on the top of the container. This makes it look like there's water when light falls on it. You can also add flowers and leaves on the cover. Use tape to make sure the cover stays in place, and then cut a small piece of the cover on both sides near the stems. Take 2 round papers in different sizes and color them with acrylic paint. Also get a shiny paper which works well for creating water lily leaves. Create a few tiny leaves and color the other 2 leaves in the same way. First, remove the middle part of the leaf and then cut the rest into 3 pieces. Now stick the parts together. You might wonder why we cut them and glue them if we can just paint and attach them to the container directly. Well, you have the option to skip this step, but if you do it, you will create crease lines that make it look more realistic. Next, use glue to attach the water lily and leaves where they belong. On my phone camera it doesn't look as nice, but in real it's really beautiful. I'm not trying to brag, but honestly it's super cute. This wraps up today's video. I will catch you next week.